Hey, welcome back to a wonderful morning, Hot Wheel lovers. It's a beautiful Friday morning here in South Carolina. Figured we'd come out here and open up some more 5 packs, some more old cars. Got one Track Stars from 2015. And we got gift pack house calls. And it's back from, I guess, 1998. Anyway, let's get started. Yeah. Looks like they put them in a double pack here, look. Goodness. There we go. Look at there. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that. Anyway, we'll start out with the Track Stars. Looks like we got Power Rage. Number 88. Normally they got 55. But anyway, that's Power Rage. And looks like we got another Governor. Looks like the Governor's been around for a while. Anyway, the Governor. Looks like we got Coil 8R. I think Coil 8R has been around a while too. $32 on it. Anyway, that's Coil 8R. Then we got Ballistic. The Hot Wheels emblem on it. It's like a Hot Wheels race team card on it. Number 16. Anyway, that's Ballistic. And looks like we got Split Vision. Got 47 on it. Pretty cool looking car. And that's all of the Track Stars. So about some trucks and vans. They don't say on the box what they are. Anyway, it looks like we got Stinky's diaper cleaners with a fly flying around it. Old Stinkies. Yep. Anyway, we'll put old Stinky back in. Next, looks like we got old Chevrolet pickup. It's called Hot Rod Handyman. Hot Rod Handyman. It's pretty cool. sure what it is. Looks like kind of like an old Apache. Says 66 Chevy. 66 Chevy hot rod handyman. Anyway, it's pretty cool. Put old handyman up. Next we got Jerry's Electric. Jerry's Electric. Let's see what it is. It is a customized C3500 Chevrolet. Okay. Anyway, that's Jerry's Electric. Let's get out old Rusty Pipes here. Rusty Pipes Plumbing. You can tell that's a Ford. That is a 97 Ford F-150. 97 Ford F-150. Old Rusty Pipes. Yeah, I think this would be what I'd be wanting to deliver some pizzas in right here. Pizza on wheels, fast delivery. Yeah, I believe so. Of course, you couldn't afford gas in it nowadays. Old pizza on wheels. Let's see what it is. It's a 40 Ford. 40 Ford. 44 drag truck delivering pizzas. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the little review of these old cars. These old ones I picked up from the old state sale from a man. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos. I got some more old state sale 5-packs. Please like and subscribe. Got more coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.